back with another video. Today we're going to be riding up to Mount Diabolo. Please enjoy the video.
And don't forget to subscribe and comment down below what your favorite part of the video was. Yeah. And I am here on the Nikola, and Cameron is on the T4 today.
I can feel you running through me like a poison. And whatever this is, yeah, I need it. Maybe I'm a little high, maybe it's an obsession. All I know is when you're near me, I'm an addict. You gotta have it, you gotta have it. You got me choking you out. You got me shooting you up. You got me loving you down. So come on, give it to me right now. So come on, get me high. Make me lose my mind. Let's jump this ride all night, all night. Oh, you could be my new drug. Something that I can get enough of. Could make me sick, give me a reason to overdose on your love. My new drug. Oh, baby, you could be my new drug. Something that I can get enough of. Could make me sick, give me a reason to overdose on your love. Every time you're in me, I can feel the pain leave flowing through my body. Don't you ever stop, baby, I'm addicted to whatever this is. Such a perfect habit, I just gotta have it. Every time you're in me, I can feel the pain leave flowing through my body. Don't you ever stop, baby, I'm addicted to whatever this is. Such a perfect habit, I just gotta have it. Baby, you could be my new drug. Something that I can get enough of. Don't make me sick, give me a reason to overdose on your love.
Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please like, subscribe. We will upload more awesome content. Until then, we'll see you then.